Hey guys, welcome back. We are back at another episode. This is day 2 of the vinyl floor installation experiment. So as you can see, we've done a good amount of flooring, but we're not quite there. And we want to talk about some of the tools that we used. So before doing this job, you'll need one of these. This is super, super helpful. This may look like a regular razor blade or a box cutter, but it's not. It's specifically designed to score and cut vinyl. So if you could tell from the camera, it's got a very thick but triangular edge, and it's designed to where I'm going to show you a couple of clips later because we've been doing a hell of a lot of cutting, and it'll go over how we get this done. Got it. Okay. Ready?
그냥 쭉 가기 와.